Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado. Absolutely beautiful. Got a red paint job on here. Paint is really nice. Interior is kind of like a red cloth. I love the look of these. They just have that total rugged like 90s look to it, you know? Jump up here into the front seat. So you can see that red suede interior. Nice and clean. It's got the four-wheel drive right there. All right, we'll go ahead and swing around. Drop that bed down. Really cool truck. All right, let's check out the driver's seat and the cluster and everything like that. Awesome truck. All right, well, let's pop open the hood, see how she drives, and we'll throw on the lift. All right, let's take her out for a spin. As you're probably noticing, there is a crack in the dash here and there. That is pretty typical for this, but we are looking to replace this. I just wanted to get this car video up and posted so y'all could check out and see how awesome of a ride we got here. But just super smooth, great acceleration. Brakes are great. Swing around here. Very nice ride. All right. Let's see, pull out right here quickly. Acceleration is very nice. All right, we'll go throw up on the hoist.